Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. Emma arrived at the airport in New York on a cold December morning. This was her first trip to the United States. She had dreamed about visiting New York since she was a child. Emma took a yellow taxi from the airport to her hotel in Manhattan. The driver talked about the best places to visit in the city. Emma looked out the window and saw the tall buildings for the first time. She felt excited and a little nervous. The hotel room was small but clean and comfortable. Emma unpacked her suitcase and looked at the map of the city. She decided to visit Times Square first. Emma walked out of the hotel and into the busy streets. There were so many people walking everywhere. The sounds of the city were loud and exciting. Emma heard car horns, music, and people talking in many languages. When she arrived at Times Square, she stopped and stared. The bright lights and huge screens were amazing. Emma took many photos with her phone. She wanted to remember this moment forever. After Times Square, Emma walked to Central Park. The park was very different from the busy streets. It was quiet and peaceful with beautiful trees. Emma sat on a bench and watched people walk their dogs. A man was playing guitar near the fountain. Emma put some money in his hat and smiled. The next morning, Emma woke up early to visit the Statue of Liberty. She took a ferry from Manhattan to Liberty Island. The view from the ferry was spectacular. Emma could see the whole skyline of New York City. When she arrived at the island, she felt emotional. The Statue of Liberty was bigger than she had imagined. She climbed the stairs to the crown and looked out over the water. That afternoon, Emma visited the Empire State Building. She went up to the observation deck on the 86th floor. From there, she could see all of Manhattan. The city looked like a map from so high up. Emma stayed until the sun began to set. The city lights started to turn on one by one. It was the most beautiful view Emma had ever seen. On her last day, Emma went shopping on Fifth Avenue. She bought some souvenirs for her family and friends. Emma also ate lunch at a famous deli. She ordered a big sandwich with pastrami. It was delicious and she ate every bite. That evening, Emma packed her bag slowly. She did not want to leave New York. Emma looked at all her photos from the trip. She smiled as she remembered each moment. The next morning, Emma took a taxi back to the airport. As the plane took off, she looked out the window one last time. Emma promised herself that she would come back to New York someday. Learn with LingoStories.app.